Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Alight motion. In this window of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.